Right here, I have this 3D LED digital wall clock. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. So this is everything that came inside the box besides the user manual. Here's the actual LED wall clock itself. I just think this looks so cool. You can see how it's 3D, how it sticks out of the wall like this. This also comes with a little remote control. It also has a USB wire in order for this to light up. And then this also comes with everything that you're going to need to hang this. So all you're gonna need is some type of USB port to plug this in. Let's go ahead and test this out. So I have this cord plugged into a USB wall unit, and I wanna say how extremely long this cord is. This would be really nice, especially if you had this like high up next to the ceiling. This is definitely enough cord to reach down to where you need to plug it in. So there's a little spot in the back to plug this in. I'm just gonna stick it right in here. And then I also wanted to show you in the back, there are 3 different nail or screw holes to easily hang this. Oh, this looks so cool. So I just wanted to show you on the remote, this is where you're going to update all the information that you want displayed on here. As far as display information, you can adjust the brightness control, but you can display the time, you can display the date, you can have different alarm settings. You can also show the temperature, and you can have a counting up and a counting down feature as well. So this would be perfect if you were doing like a timed game, for example. That would be a really fun feature. So I'm just going ahead and setting this up right now. For example, I have the time set. Can't really see it in this light right here, but right now it's 7:46. So I already set the time, and it's really easy to do. It walks you through everything really nice and simply in the user manual, which is always a huge plus. I'm gonna go ahead and set the date. So in order to update the date on here, you push the date button and you push set. And so this says YY. So I'm gonna write down the year down here. So that's gonna be 23 and push next. And now this says M for month, and this is April. So I'm gonna put 4, okay, and then next. And this is day, which is the 15th. And now I'm actually done, so I'm just gonna push enter. Now you can see it's automatically showing the time. When I push the little date button on the remote, then it automatically is going to tell me the month and the day, so 4:15. All right, so I turned on one of my lights so you can see this a little bit better on the video. I do wanna show you like the timer feature. All you do is you click count up, and then you push set, and then you push enter, and it starts the timer. I think that's so cool. I just think it's really neat that you can hang this or display it in so many different ways. I'm picturing this in a sports themed room for my son, or in somewhere like a man cave or in the garage. I feel like this gives off a really fun vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I might be using this so you can get an idea of what that would look like. Okay, so I have this set up in my son's room. This is kind of in his little like creating corner with all of his little Legos and games and stuff like that. And I just think this looks so neat in here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off one of these lights so you can see it a little bit better. And this is with all of the lights off. Overall, I really like the vibe of this. I think it looks really cool that it is a digital clock, but it also has the 3D look to it. And I also like that it can be used to tell a lot more information than just the time. It can be used to tell the date and the temperature, etc.